Hello everybody! We're having here in Canada Fernanda Pagani from Curu Curu Land in Brazil. She's a chef there and she takes all the athletes' diets down there. So it's Christmas, everybody deserves a little cookie, and we have a healthy version here for you. Get paper and pen and write down. So for that recipe we did 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of gluten-free regular flour. You can use no gluten-free if you want. 3/4 of coconut sugar. You can use brown sugar if you need. 1/4 spoon for nutmeg and 1/4 spoon for cardamom, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, and 2 tablespoons cocoa. Mix everything in the bowl, open the dough, get your favorite shape for the cookie, cut everything, and oven. Very easy. You're gonna see when it's ready, the color turn brown, kind of gold. It's a little bit soft after you need to cool down, and then it gets a little bit harder. For the topping, so you can do your decoration, just 1 lime, squeeze, mix with 1/2 cup of sugar, and do what you know kids can do the best, your own design, and enjoy yourself with a well-healthy version of cookies for Christmas. We have a bunch here